Welcome back. So this is the last lesson in the series. I hope you've learned a lot in these last few videos. You literally have got the full read. You've got the 30-minute levels, you've got the 3-minute entries, and you have the risk rules that put everything together. Now, this is the same process I run live every trading session. Now, there are two ways for you to keep going. Number one, you can watch me live every trading session doing the same thing. Just make sure you join the Telegram or the Discord. The link should be in the description or in my bio so that you can get alerts when I release new videos or when I go live. We do have educational content like this that would help you polish the model and get better at taking precise entries. The second option is you want to go deeper. The room is where you go into this a lot more deeper, where you can get more videos that go into details, what you need to look at, what you need to avoid, certain days that you need to be very careful. It includes the full curriculum. As I mentioned, we do have the opening drive as well, which is a third entry model for when price does not take liquidity. There are some indicators that can help you track FEGs and also structure on the 30 minutes as well. And this is simply a $47 per month subscription. The link is in my bio. If this course has been helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. There'll be more content being released in the future to help you with your trading career. I'll see you in the next one.